we're gonna open up this
That's freaking delicious.
dessert and see. It looks like it's nice and puffy. Ta-da! Oh no, it's gonna stay that way.
What? Oh. Nice. I think the holes got gotten rid of. Pretty weird.
Probably should have left it on medium instead of simmer.
Yeah.
There we go. Now it's
Sort of kind of collapsed a touch. Yeah.
yeah.
Fold that down. Kind of slice the pie. You'd like me to do that? So you can have both hands on the camera.
Oh, actually, be careful at the bottom because this is a ceramic bowl. So how about I do it so I don't get upset if it. And this is different how we made it last time. Last time we didn't make it quite so tall. And the what do you call this stuff?
Weird cake.
The pie, the bread, the flour,
we're the edge.
the dough. The dough is not so thick. I made it extra thick this time. Didn't quite. I was experimenting and somehow I messed up with the flour.
It's a little too wet.
Maybe. Oh, right now it is?
Maybe we put it on high
Maybe.
it'll steam off some of the flour. Put some of the water. Make it less moist.
Okay, so this was a failed attempt. One thing that's nice though, I put the butter on the side so it didn't stick, and it didn't stick. It was very nice. It also probably would help if I actually had an oven. This is a very interesting thing to cook it on a frying pan. You notice that it didn't quite fit, and so the dough right here became soft. But you know, I don't know. I think I still like it. It tastes delicious. I mean, goodness. Yeah. So what it is it's mango inside, and you make up flour or dough, and this doesn't have to be pie dough. It's just dough. Put a layer down. Put your fruit filling. In this case, it was an old mango. Put a little bit of butter and with sugar. And then put butter and sugar on top, and then this brown stuff is cinnamon. Gosh, you know what? It really just does taste amazing. Really does. So I think you should give it a try. Make your own experiment. Put your little own experiment in the video comments below, or in the comments below, post your video of your experiment. Don't give me anything professional. I want people who are doing this at home, just experimenting, cooking like me. Nothing professional. Just having fun. Messing up, trying out, experimenting. That's what I want you to do. That's what results I want to see. How badly can you mess up? At least it's not overcooked. So I took it. The one thing about cast iron is you put it on high just to get it warmed up, and then you can put it on simmer, and the cast iron holds the heat really well.
So how's it doing?
I think I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. I don't think I need the crust is actually done on the inside.
No, it's just a little bit moist. That's all I'm trying to get.
Well, yeah, but that's gonna be moist just because the was touching it.
Okay, we'll shut off now.
Yeah, oh, shut off. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can see all the steam coming out. We put it on high now. Yeah, I don't think we want to do that. I think it's nice not to have it burn on the bottom. Okay. Yep, I can smell it burning. Maybe we should take it off now.
Oh, it's burning.
Yeah. Okay. Take it off. Whoops.
Yay!
Hey.
Yum.
All right.
Heavy. It's really heavy. It's iron.
Yep. Now you can smell it burning. Okay. Bye.